Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dogeai token. Dogeai, all one word, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap just today, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Dogeai token. So DogeaiToken.com is their official webpage. They have a BSC scan here listed on CoinMarketCap. It says they have 2,008 holders so far, so they're off to a good start here. 18 decimal places on this token. There is 12,880 transfers so far, and a total supply of 10 trillion tokens. Now, you can find their BSC scan, their webpage, white paper, Twitter, Telegram, all that's available on CoinMarketCap now, along with their price chart and contract address. And yeah, they're down 8.13% today, so they're not doing very well today. They just got listed on CoinMarketCap, and they're not off to a good start. Now, this is a Binance Smart Chain token, so basically if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You would go into the dApps, you would find Pancake Swap, and then you would trade your BSC for the Dogeai token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, their BSC scan, webpage, white paper. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. Now, it says Dogeai is creating an entire artificial intelligence DeFi ecosystem with the most advanced AI tools on the market. It's a new cryptocurrency birthed by fans and members of the Shiba Inu community. Dogeai is named before Elon Musk tweets about Doge plus AI. Dogeai is working on several utilities. The first one is a chat and image AI generator. Second is an NFT collection AI generator. Full DeFi dApp, including staking, buy crypto with cards, and many more. And our core product innovation is our Dogeai market cap. Dogeai is focused on building real utilities around the strongest community ever seen. We back it up with action. We take our community efforts very seriously. To reward our early adopters, Dogeai is doing an airdrop of 1% of the total supply, which will be offered to holders holding a minimal of 6 billion Dogeai. So Dogeai is a revolutionary meme coin developing major utilities by creating an attractive ecosystem including the most trendy features of the market. We have different goals. Number one is the Dogeai chat and image generator. Dogeai is developing an unbiased AI which will be available to the public for free. Not only chats, you'll also have the opportunity to create awesome images generated by our artificial intelligence. We believe that our AI will be valuable and a resource for anyone looking to take advantage of the latest advances in artificial intelligence technology. And best of all, our AI will be available to the public completely free of charge. So whether you are a student, a business owner, or just someone who's curious about the latest AI developments, we hope you'll check out our AI and see what it can do for you. So the solutions and goals here, it says Dogeai NFT collection generator. Dogeai is developing a premium feature never seen yet, its own NFT collection generator. Our AI can generate different types of images based on your requirements. You can choose the number of images of your NFT collection. For now, the maximum is set to 1,500. This feature is exclusively available to Dogeai holders as a premium service. Dogeai dApp and staking is another feature. So Dogeai dApps is going to include several utilities to serve our community and create a gap to mainstream adoption. Staking, stake your Dogeai tokens to earn up to 15% annual percentage yield. Buy crypto with fiat. You'll be able to buy Dogeai or other cryptocurrencies in just a couple clicks directly into your wallet with credit cards. And AI Auditor. Our own AI can analyze any smart contract and give you an unbiased analysis of the security of the smart contract. An important tool to make sure you are buying a safe and secure token. So solutions and goals, it says Dogeai swap and charts. Buy and sell any crypto directly on the Dogeai dApp. Check the charts and trading history. Live new pairs. Our AI will gather all new pairs on our page so everyone can see the last tokens on the market. They have a portfolio tracker, manage analysis of your portfolio with the most advanced decentralized portfolio tracker. Watch lists, add your favorite tokens to your lists and keep up to date with the news and price actions of your favorite token. And token FOMO. Have a look on every token deployed in the past 24 hours. Now, Dogeai Market Cap. It says Dogeai Market Cap is an innovative platform created to allow users to benefit from the power of AI. Through the use of AI, Dogeai will offer innovative financial services such as market prediction, portfolio management, and trend analysis. The platform will include several innovative and premium features which will be available exclusively for the Dogeai holders. Now on the roadmap here, they started with website, project development, website creation, community building, partnerships, launch on PancakeSwap, smart contract audit, white paper release, listing on CoinGecko CoinMarketCap, 1,000 holders, Dogeai dApps and AI tools, Dogeai staking, viral marketing campaign, community contests and giveaways, central exchange listing, 10,000 holders, central exchange listing tier 1, Dogeai NFT collection, first buyback and burn round, 50,000 holders, then Dogeai market cap, Dogeai shop, launchpad incubator, 100,000 holders, stage 5, global marketing campaigns, Dogeai Explorer, 3 top 10 central exchange listings, brand awareness, Dogeai game, and more, and then more holders. Tokenomics are on here as well. There is a 6% tax, so if you are going to buy or sell this token from PancakeSwap, you most likely will have to set your slippage somewhere around 6%. 4% goes to marketing and development, 1% liquidity, and you do get 1% reflections in USDT. Now, token allocation is on here as well. 10% goes to partnerships, 50% liquidity, 15% staking, 15% development, and 10% central exchange listings. Now, they have an audit by SpyWolf you can check out. It says liquidity is locked for 100 years. You can check that out as well. And you can find all this at dogaitoken.com, and you can find them newly listed on CoinMarketCap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.